Hi, we are Tobias and Kate. Welcome to a new episode of Reshape Revolution.
In the 1960s and 1970s, something remarkable was true: people simply weren't fat. People managed to stay slim and healthy, without fancy watches to track their health, without juice cleanses, without workout plans and personal trainers, without cutting carbs or without intermittent fasting.
Today, more than 1 in 3 men and 1 in 4 women are overweight in the US. European figures show that more than half of Europeans are overweight, and 1 in 6 is obese. Look at the difference. Where did it go wrong? The explanation is very simple.
In the past, people used to eat real food. Today we are stuffing ourselves with heavily processed and artificial foods.
In the 60s and 70s, families were sitting down to meals made from scratch, with ingredients sourced from local farms and markets. There were no preservatives, additives, or artificial flavors. Just pure, wholesome ingredients of which the origin is clear, like a whole chicken, freshly picked vegetables, and farm-fresh dairy products.
Today there are completely different items on the menu. The origin and content is completely unrecognizable: pizza, ice cream, hamburgers, soft drinks, sweets, in short, mainly fast food that we do not prepare ourselves.
The reason why our society struggles with obesity is obvious: we eat completely wrong.
Let's return to food from the 60s and 70s. Food of which you recognize the origin and ingredients. Know what you buy and eat. Read the labels. Cook yourself. And say a radical no to fake food. Will you join us?
Stay tuned for more videos and hit that like or subscribe button. Thank you.